A gritty crime drama, Satya follows a migrant in Mumbai who enters the underworld at a time when gang wars are at their peak. It follows his rise as the right-hand man of a mob boss. His reticent love story and his subsequent grim death. It's hard to believe that this tight drama was shot without a bound script.
Actually, Satya never had a script as such. It was mostly done on instinct. It was just kept on developing as we were going, and mostly done by actors. And I had a very clear understanding of the characters I was dealing with. Like every character had a certain. I took him from somewhere else who I met, not necessarily to do with the underworld. Sometimes to do with some people I've met. When people say Satya is a very real film, how do they know it's real? See, they might think I have interacted with the underworld to get the realism, but how do they know it's real if they never saw the underworld?
Hey, Dari, ढीला है क्या? पैसा निकाल, पैसा. ये काय को पंगा लेता? पैसा देके नक्की करना. जग्गा के आदमी क्या? अभी समझ में आया?
We started shooting randomly. On the third day of the shooting, two things happened simultaneously. We're shooting that sequence where Sushant's scene where he gets slashed. And Sushant reacted and something happened to Ramu. I still don't know what happened.
क्या दाढ़ी? उस तरह देख के गीला हो गया? हाँ?
Satya slashes his face. Now in my mind, I want to cut it there. But before I could say cut, Sushant being a very good actor, he just screamed in pain. That startled me, so I forgot to say cut. Because I didn't say cut, the actor Manoj Pava was showing the Kholi. He said, Panila, Panila, So almost by accident it happened. So I thought this should be the style of Satya. What happens before and after the actual content got in a certain amount of realism.
हम उस शक्ला को मार देंगे.
क्या हुआ क्या तू? येड़िया हुआ, दिमाग खराब हुआ तेरा, दिमाग सटक गया.
Like Rangila, Satya too rewrote many rules in Bollywood.
बता मेरे को, कैसा मारेगा उसे बता? साला चप्पे चप्पे में पुलिस होएगी. जैसे लक्कड़ में दीमक घूमती है ना, वैसा होगा.
I credit Ramu for one thing in this industry. Is the way the language of cinema has changed in terms of how people talk. Before Ram Gopal Varma, every character spoke Urdu, whether the man from the streets or the man up there. Even the street guy wore Nike, but they all spoke Urdu. Rangila changed everything. And Satya happened much after Rangila. After Rangila was Daud and then Satya. So I think a lot of credit goes to Neeraj Vora, Sanjay Chhel and Ramu. And then what happened was, if you closely observe the language of Satya, it's a strange mix of UP and Bombay lingo.
कॉर्नरी जो भी आइटम बहुत भारी है बाप. क्या रे सत्या?
क्या भिखू भाई? अरे पूरा मुंबई लफड़े में ब्लास्ट हो गया और सत्या एकदम फास्ट हो गया.